How to fix Valorant Van-81 connection error message. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant error code Van-81, which is related to a connection issue. Let's jump straight into the solution without wasting any time. There are two easy steps to solve this issue. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Once it opens, go to the Services tab. Press the V key on your keyboard to quickly locate the service named VGC. If the VGC service is stopped, simply right-click on it and select Start to enable it. Next, right-click on the same service again and click on Open Services. In the new window, press the V key again to find VGC, double-click on it, and under Startup Type, choose Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click Apply, then OK, and close the window. Now, try relaunching Valorant and make sure the VGC service is running in the background. This should solve the problem for most users. Step 2. If the first method didn't work for you, here's another fix. First, close the Riot client and Valorant completely, even from the system tray. Once fully closed, click on the Start menu. Search for CND. Now type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. sc delete VGC, sc delete VGK. After entering both commands, restart your PC. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.